Cardano value equivalent to 5.3848 rands a coin in a very enormous manner. The present cost range, 5.3534. 5.4217. The earlier day close, 5.4823. The change really was 0.0975, 1.78%, which is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, ZAR to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 5.37 rands, beautiful high 5.75, low 4.99. Cardano figure on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 5.30 rands, high 5.67, low 4.93. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 5.15 rands, high 5.51, low 4.79. Cardano gauge on Thursday, August 10. Cost 5.35 rands, high 5.72, in every way that really matters, low 4.98. Which for the most part is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 5.27 rands, genuinely high 5.64, exceptionally low 4.90, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. In multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, August 14. Cost 5.24 rands, high 5.61, essentially low 4.87. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 5.36 rands, beautiful high 5.74, sort of low 4.98. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 5.41 rands, especially high 5.79, kind of low 5.03. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 5.37 rands, fundamentally high 5.75, low 4.99. Cardano estimate on Friday, August 18. Cost 5.37 rands, high 5.75, low 4.99. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, August 21. Cost 5.35 rands, kind of high 5.72, low 4.98. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 5.15 rands, most certainly high 5.51, especially low 4.79. Which is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 5.28 rands in every practical sense, high 5.65, low 4.91 in a genuinely significant way. Cardano gauge on Thursday, August 24. Cost 5.18 rands, high 5.54, low 4.82 amazingly. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 5.12 rands, all things considered, high 5.48, low 4.76, which for the most part is very huge. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, August 28. Cost 5.06 rands, kind of high 5.41, especially low 4.71. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 5.22 rands, high 5.59, exceptionally low 4.85. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 5.07 rands in every practical sense, high 5.42, low 4.72. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Cost 4.94 rands, high 5.29, sort of low 4.59. Cardano estimate on Friday, September 1. Cost 4.77 rands, high 5.10, low 4.44. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, September 4. Cost 4.68 rands, high 5.01, low 4.35. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, September 5. Cost 4.38 rands, high 4.69, extremely low 4.07. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 3.86 rands, exorbitant cost 4.22, while especially low cost 3.66, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.92, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.94, change for December 2.1%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before all else cost at 3.94 rands, exorbitant cost 4.30, while by and large low cost 3.74 in an unobtrusive manner. The found the middle value of cost 4.00. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.02. Change for January 2.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at 4.02 rands in a significant manner, excessive cost 4.75, while low cost 4.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.31. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.44. Change for February 10.4%. Cardano figure for WOC 2024. Before all else, cost at 4.44 rands in an especially enormous manner, excessive cost 4.52, while low cost 3.92. The found the middle value of cost 4.28 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.22, change for spring 5.0%, which is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024, which is very huge. To start with, cost at 4.22 rands, exorbitant cost 5.24, while low cost 4.22. The found the middle value of cost 4.65. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.90, change for April 16.1%. Cardano conjecture for May 2024, which is very critical. At the outset, cost at 4.90 rands in a significant manner, exorbitant cost 5.33. While low cost 4.63. The found the middle value of cost 4.96. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.98. Change for May 1.6% in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 4.98 rands, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Exorbitant cost 5.41. While low cost 4.71. The found the middle value of cost 5.04. Which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.06, change for June 1.6%. Cardano conjecture for July 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset, cost at 5.06 rands, excessive cost 5.10, while low cost 4.44. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.84. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.77. Change for July 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at 4.77 rands, excessive cost 5.29, while pretty low cost 4.59 in a significant manner. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.90. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.94. Change for August 3.6%. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano gauge for September 2024. To start with, cost at 4.94 rands, which explicitly is very critical. Excessive cost 4.94, while in every